What's up, guys? So today we are up in Big Bear. We're going to be doing Gold Fever. Gold Fever is technically a fire road, really easy trail, versus Gold Mountain is a hard rated trail. I've seen somebody go there, they always break stuff. I've never tried it and don't plan on it, especially after recently breaking stuff. I would definitely recommend coming with somebody. If you're having trouble, your car breaks down or anything. I've found people on Facebook groups. Life of an Adventure is a group. There's Off-Road Rookies, SoCal for Low. Definitely recommend checking them out. And of course we have our SoCal Sequoia page. We'll be showing you more of the trail as we go along. We're a little bit into the trail and did not expect to see any snow. When it snows, it's a beautiful, beautiful trail, but it can get slippery. Let's keep it going. Alright, so we see this puddle and we're debating if it's deep enough to go through it. And it has ice. Oh, it's frozen. Should I try it? I'm tempted. Dude, it's frozen.
My worry is that
that'll break and I'll get stuck in there.
Then,
yeah, because there's gonna be a slush. Yeah, maybe not. I am tempted to throw another rock at it though, just for childhood kicks.
Yeah, it's gonna break.
Oh man, no.
That's very thin.
There's a reason why probably nobody's gone through it. Yeah, let's not do it. So we're gonna continue the trail. Yeah, nobody's going through them, and that's probably the reason. It's all slushy. That's good. That's good, yeah. So last time we were here, we seen this unmarked grave and felt like leaving something. So I left the keychain, and it's been about 2 years now. It's still there. It's awesome. All right, so we're gonna keep going up the trail.
Come on.
Backseat. Hey, Cooper. So this is kind of why I always recommend coming with somebody. Right now we're venturing off. I've never been up here before, and these trails break up into lots of different spots, and you can easily get lost up here. So it's good to come with someone that knows the trails, knows where they're going. So we found a little spot that we're gonna post it up at. Gonna have lunch, hang out for a little bit, and then we're gonna keep going. And then Cooper here, he's been doing great off leash. He goes no more than 15 feet away from you. Come on. buy you sick ass Sequoia. And then you're gonna drive over it, right?
I'm hoping to turn.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
Are
I'm
you
hoping
really?
to turn this way.
No, no, he's not. Why?
Slow, slow, slow. Oh my god.
Made it look easy. You sure you want to try it, by you? Oh, no, no, no. Back it up, back it up. Yeah, that's a no-go for sure.
It's so hard.
Yeah, it's too deep.
How thick that? Look at the ice. Look how thick it is.
Oh, yeah. Wow, look at that. We're gonna get a little bit of a mud bath here. It's good for the paint.
Cooper got scared. He jumped back.
Nice. That was deep. Back up. Dude, that was deep.
Guess what?
Both of them are deep. Oh, that scared me. Trail's been super muddy. There's been some puddles that have been a lot deeper than I would have thought they were. So if you guys ever come up here, definitely be careful with those potholes. During the winter, definitely would not do the two-wheel drive, but in summer, easy. guys so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Feel free to leave a comment. I love reading the comments. Any questions you have, feel free to ask. Catch you in the next video.